Is it time to buy or sell Target stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Target. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of August, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Target as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.49. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock rests in the lower part of a strong rising trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $101.47 is breached, it will first signal a slower rate of ascent, but may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 11.67% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 9.99% to 19.89%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -41.17%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -63.96% to -41.45% over the upcoming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $37.13 and $60.32. Our latest daily update for Target includes the headline, "Target stock downgraded to sell candidate." The Target stock price fell by 1.18% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 15th of August, 2025, dropping from $104.25 to $103.02. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.42%, reaching a low of $101.97 and a high of $104.44. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown some volatility, reflecting a gain of 3.26%. The trading volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, despite the drop in prices. This could signify an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 6 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $634,890,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $167.40, while the lowest was $87.35. Currently, the price is 38.46%, or $64.38, below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 61.70%, or $165.96, below the all-time high recorded on the 15th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $268.98. Target is currently navigating a challenging situation as several developments arise ahead of next week's earnings report. The retailer and Ulta Beauty have announced they will not renew their 5-year partnership, which includes shop-in-shop locations, concluding in August of 2026 after 600 installations. This falls short of the original goal of 800, leaving Target with 1 year to dismantle and repurpose up to 1,000 square feet of space dedicated to these concessions. Concurrently, Bank of America has downgraded Target to an underperform rating and reduced its price target to $93, resulting in a decline of approximately 1.6% in shares. Analysts have pointed out a slowdown in digital growth, a lack of investment compared to competitors, and significant exposure to imports, which could compel Target to increase prices more than its rivals if tariffs continue. In the short term, heightened volatility can be expected as earnings approach, with investors adjusting for weaker comparable sales, margin pressures from tariffs, and one-time costs associated with removing Ulta fixtures. Further downgrades and subdued guidance may lead to additional selling pressure. Looking ahead, the termination of the Ulta partnership requires strategic decisions, either reallocating space to in-house assortments or forming tighter, more profitable partnerships, or addressing issues in digital execution and supply chain exposure to regain market share. If management takes decisive action, a recovery could be within reach. However, if structural issues remain unresolved, Target may lag behind Walmart in growth and margins. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, it was reported that Truist Financial assigned TGT a hold grade accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TGT a neutral grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TGT an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TGT a neutral grade in conjunction with a hold action. On the same day, May 22nd, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned TGT an equal weight grade, accompanied by an initialize action. Analysts have given Target stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Target. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Target stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more pessimistic outlook. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at $104.85 and $103.57. A breakthrough above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 23, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 4.1%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 36 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Target. Target finds support from accumulated volume at $98.12. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $2.47, which is a change of 2.42% between its high and low prices. For the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 2.72%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Target, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate a subdued expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 20th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.05. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Target. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Target is at $103.85. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Target encounters its first support level at $98.12. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Target from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Matthew A. Legal conducted an insider sale of 2,044 shares of common stock. On the 25th of May, 2025, Pradip Kumar Vemana conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 28th of May, 2025, Brian C. Cornell conducted an insider sale of 45,000 shares of common stock. On the 8th of April, 2025, Melissa K. Kremer conducted an insider purchase of 3,554 shares of common stock. On the 8th of April, 2025, Melissa K. Kremer conducted an insider sale of 1,088 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 16.706. Overall, insiders purchased 423,455 shares and sold 289,207 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Target stock a good buy? Target stock currently displays several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Target will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have revised our analysis conclusion from a hold to a sell candidate since our last assessment. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 18th of August, we expect Target to open higher by approximately 12 cents, starting at $103.14. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.